So yesterday I found this broken Polaroid camera at a thrift shop for $3, and I'm going to take it apart and see what kind of lenses I can get out of it. So after taking apart the Polaroid, I found 5 lenses. I found this lens that was on the front of the Polaroid. Found this lens, which is kind of like the DVD, CD drive lens, but much bigger. So I'm excited about that. The viewfinder. And I found this other lens that has a strange cooling effect, like a cold filter. And the last thing I found was this large magnifying glass. So let's take a look through the viewfinder. So this is the cold filter. You can see without it, everything's much brighter. So I'm excited to try that out with some photos. And this is the lens that looked like the DVD CD lens, but a little bit bigger. So that's it for the old Polaroid that I found. $3 and 5 lenses.